Hey guys, so who wants to go first today?
Who wants?
Or who will?
Yesterday we did a test on the Rinkeby testnet of the whitelisting flow end to end. It went good, and today
It went amazing.
It went amazing. It was epic. Today I'm gonna finish the task that we had that will resubmit pending transactions that are pending for too long. Still has a few hours left on this. Then we're gonna do even more amazing end-to-end flow or rehearsal, as Shahar calls it, of the crowd sale. So good stuff.
So today I continue to work on some issues that related to Captain Sky, and I'm focused on the problem which makes the state of the mission to change before the transaction is completed.
Hi.
Yeah, so yesterday and today I will keep working on the DAV homepage to make it ready to the crowd sale. So I have some changes to do. That's it.
Great. So today, apart from doing the general rehearsal for the crowd sale on the mainnet, like Anatoly said, we're going to try to finalize the token sale pages on the homepage. And also we're the proud owners of 3 node Ethereum nodes for on the AWS server since yesterday. So use them well. And Alik wants to order food.
Hey guys, I'm back at the office. I'm just sending some emails from our leads at EcoMotion, and I'm getting ready for the event tomorrow of TechCrunch here happening in Tel Aviv, where DAV will be presenting as well. Bye.
Hey there, what's up? So today started the day with filming the developers for the DailyDAV, and then I edited the DailyDAV. After that I finished working on Noam's interview for Bitkutsu. It's up and running, you can check it out right over here. And now I'll start working on the drone charging video that we shot yesterday, and we will release that soon enough, so stay tuned. That's it.
Hi everyone. Yesterday was all about finalizing pre-sale agreements and organizing all of our data as we're leading up to the token sale. Today is going to be continuing with some of that and also preparing for our AMA that we have this evening, and of course keeping social media up and running. See you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporte here. Yesterday, main focus was content segmenting, working on the copy for all the different emails going out up and through the actual token sale. We had a great management meeting in the morning, also working on the script and the actual design and everything for the video that we're pushing out, and then also what the contribution page is going to look like. That also flowed in today, so a lot around the contribution page, a lot around more email blasts than today. We've been doing a lot of email campaigns to different segments and things like that. So very, very crazy times as we come up against our token sale. Thanks everyone, have a great one.
Hi guys, today I'll make few changes in our roadmap. After then I'll start design a new page for token sale. And after then I'll continue make new banners for start token sale. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.